People, listen to me. I am from the 90s. So if you love 90s, who are you listening? 90s badness. When I say 90s, who are you to say badness? 90s. 90s. Level. People, this is Jamaica. In Jamaica, you have some gangster. You talk about some terrible gangster. And you see the 90s, them different it. Them response feet. So you know what I want to name? Oh, me say 90s badness, fat boss, dodos and six. Oh, everybody know who lock the place, who have the talk out of east. RumFest, say Spain town badness, 100 grams of the clique. Oh, Clarendon, Maple, your chesters can hold the base. RumFest is not in that talking, you're killing another. Don't bring murder people off the forensic scene and over. Not a nice thinking of face like. Everybody days, when I done around the place. Me not gonna lie, me still feel safer. No boy could steal, no man can rape. We go by the place, he can start in our face. We say 90s badness, fat boss, dodos and six. Oh, everybody know who lock the place, who have the talk out of east. We say RumFest badness, 100 grams of the clique. Clarendon. What we say 90s, you look at badness, 90s. Oh, watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your keeper. Watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your keeper. Watch your friends. I love my friend. Give me a signal, we have to go. Oh, yeah, so me 90s badness, fat pass, dollars and abu, yay! Dancehall records, manners and respect. People, tonight is a special night. So we just want to honor the RumFest family. They must celebrate 50 years, bro. God knows. Them do a lot for the music. More time they make a drink and jump and turn idiots. So guess what? Give it up for the Rum Festival people there. And guess what? We're going to celebrate one of the king. We're going to salute one of the real general. It's a Beanie Man. Anybody know Moses? Give me a signal. If you love Beanie Man, give me a signal.
Give it up for the doctor.
And guess what? This song was written in orchestra. And guess what? We have to salute the doctor. Everybody!
Everybody get active right now. Everybody get active right now. Everybody get active. Say get active right now. Right now. Get active right now. Right now. Get active right now. Right now. Get active. Say get active.
RumFest. What is that? Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. nice. We are turning it up whole night. Move to the left, move to the right. Everybody, who want to say? Dance the angel yellow. You're Afta. I'll be there. Just call that. That's the angel. Salute. What a great meeting, man. God and good road. People, me have left Jamaica right now. I kill marvelous. Right now, me have left Jamaica. People, me have go somewhere far in the Middle East. Everybody go like this. Go, sir. Follow the dance again.
RumFest, the one we ready right now. Everybody know. Make this. Everybody know we dancing this.
Hey.
Make this. Everybody wanna move on the floor. Ready? Do your foot so. Everybody know. Do your foot so. Make this. Everybody.
Tonight, I'm gonna done my cash and drink my life away. People, this is Michael Marvelous. Remember, this song was arranged and written by TODDLER, Michael Marvelous, and Scatterbury. Michael, what you say?
Make this. Everybody know we dancing this. Make this. Everybody know we dancing this. Do your foot so. Everybody know. Do your foot so. Make this. Everybody.
Tonight, I'm gonna done my cash, drink my life away. Tonight, we got the whole RumFest of mine for the party day. Tonight, we have to run out the drop top. Party night, we just sing the drop top night. Cause you get it up in our structure. Oh, when we step out the back, support the bar and the DJ. And the hard boys on them secret. My finger won't come in cheating. Party down round up in baby. Up in the top party. When we're in my shell down the bar. Yeah, don't let me go to the night. Not my guess. They are the friends of my mind. Tonight, we are gonna run up the drop top. Party night we go sing. Cause you got it up in our structure. I cannot do it now. Middle East.
Everybody know we dancing this. Make this. Everybody know we dancing this. Do your foot so. And everybody know. Set your foot so. Everybody.
Tonight, Abu Yay! People, recently, I just want to say, I want to send a love to all Cancerians. You understand? Just the other day, I just turned 50. Yo, give me. Yo, guess I run that.
Somebody
Yo,
say happy birthday to our toddler right now. I really like.
RumFest, Sumfest, Speed Faster, all over Kentucky, all who drive from a RumFest. If you know say you have the one key, and you know if you boom a ride, everybody at Sumfest, RumFest, alright, make a jump, drive by, drive by, make a jump, drive by, RumFest, send me that, make a drive, drive by, to ask you something. You see, in life, the best prayer is for my mama. So all mothers in the house, never stop praying for your child. On the way to RumFest, I got a call from my mother. And my mom said, my son, the country is in a terrible state. We went through burial. We went through some emotional things. So people, in everything I do, I put God before it. So people, when I ask the question, I ask this seriously. If you have a Bible in your house, give me a signal. If you have a Bible, once you have a Bible, you know, say you're asleep with the Lord's words. I want to say love to all the mothers. RumFest one say, oh, me I touch the road, mama pray for me. Psalms 35, keep it near to me. The mouth I smell, the mouth I think them set for me. But all the set them can't get to me. You make a fly, mama prayers up. Them can't hear me down like when flyers up. Jah open the door, make way for me. You love Jah, insane me, me say, I got a good run. Got a good run. RumFest, got a good run.
We're side to
Mama
side.
pray for me, every day for me. I got a good run.
We're them up.
Got a good run. RumFest, got a good run. Pray for me, true story. One job. From 96, when them tear my visa down, Logs the street, me still there, I hold the ground. Even talk about who I try to hold me down. Kill them with success, me not for hold no gun. Enough to give me strength and not get it back. The poor people, me last and me make it back. But yeah, you know me blessing can't stop. RumFest, what me say? Got a good run. Got a good run.
We're the ones.
Got a good run. Mama pray for me, every day for me. I got a good run. Got a good run. And about to kill a fans in here, salute to the great general. You know, I'm just trying to say, let me tell you some things that go on out the road. How we lose some great icon out the road. Shoot them, shoot Willie, I got the road. Then them take over life out the road. Right foul, we miss you from the road. Watch your foot, we lose one the British President, they are prison. Soldier parade.
Turn it up, right? RumFest.